Have you ever made plans to go to a theme park and that day you make your visit, it just decides to rain? Yeah, that just happened to us our recent visit at Carowinds. Definitely an interesting experience for sure, but I'm excited to share with you guys how yet you can still make the best out of a rainy day at a theme park. I'm Katie and welcome to Katie's Coasters. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here, and let's get right into this Carowinds rainy day vlog. This is Katie from Katie's Coasters, and yet again we have made it back to Carowinds for another visit. You can see Fury 325 behind me right here. So crazy we're back already, but I love this park so much. It is a little bit rainy today, so we're going to try and ride as much as possible, but I do love this park and I'm excited to be back. Yeah, we're going to have a great day. Very exciting, and yeah, happy to be back with Fury. Okay guys, we're officially in the park. We got our fast lanes acquired. Now we're gonna go ride Fury 325 because now it's starting to sprinkle a little and I don't want to miss out on not riding it. So let's go ride it. Okay everyone, so we got 3 rain rides on Fury, and let me tell you, all of them stung really bad, but we are completely drenched right now. We got 1 front row ride and then 2 back row rides. But yeah, that was definitely quite the experience. Definitely got to do it if you have the opportunity. Now we're walking around the park as it's like raining and we're just drenched, so it doesn't even matter anymore. But yeah, I got my Kinky Haw hoodie on, so now we're just going to go ride Copperhead Strike, and then Afterburn, and then maybe check out Aeronautical Landing. But yeah, quite the rainy day here, but it makes things fun, so yeah. Okay everyone, so we did 2 rides on Copperhead in the rain, which was pretty crazy. We could actually see the raindrops falling as we were upside down in the loops, which was cool. And also we just got off Afterburn, and yeah, that's just a really good invert, but crazy in the rain for sure. Now it's still raining and I think we might head out of the park soon because really not much to do. Most of the things are closed that I need credits for. But yeah, crazy. Okay everyone, so we just got our fun pics photos and now we're just heading out of the park because it's seriously really raining and we honestly rode everything that we really wanted, so I think we're pretty satisfied. Now we're heading out of the park, but had another great visit here at Carowinds. Can't wait to come back again in the future.
Park's core story is. So we are at Carowinds leading into what is the Carolina connection to this land and this experience. And of course, the Carolinas are known for first in flight with Kitty Hawk.
Yeah, just like that wraps up our second visit here to Carowinds of the 2023 season. Had another great time even though it was rainy, but that makes it interesting. So had a great rainy day at Carowinds. There's the sign. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching this vlog. Make sure to like this video if you did enjoy and also subscribe down below if you're new here to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the Katie's Coasters family here. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Peace out everybody.